Bkav is the leading technology corporation operating in the fields of cybersecurity, software, e-government, smartphone manufacturing, smart electronics, smart city, and AI camera, founded in 2001 by Mr. Nguyen Tu Quang. With a strong team of over 1,000 employees and associates, Bkav is aiming towards the goal of building a powerful Vietnam thanks to technology. Bkav is one of the 10 most famous brands in Vietnam, voted by the Vietnam Intellectual Property Association. Bkav is also the first Vietnamese company to be named in the Cool Vendors list in emerging markets worldwide by Gartner, the world's leading information technology research and advisory company. In over 20 years of development, Bkav has constantly researched and built an ecosystem of software products and make in Vietnam technology devices, includes product sectors: antivirus, digital transformation, AI technology, cybersecurity, hardware technology, and e-service products including e-commerce platforms. In the e-service product line, Bkav provides an ecosystem of e-commerce platforms aimed at simplifying procedures and providing maximum support for businesses. Bkav Public Digital Signature Certification Service. In 2010, Bkav Corporation was one of the first 3 digital signature authentication service providers in Vietnam, with an infrastructure system that Bkav fully owns and controls from design, deployment to operation. Besides providing digital certificates, Bkav also offers solutions to integrate digital signatures into the Bkav Core CA software system. With this solution, integrating digital signatures into applications such as internet banking, e-securities, e-social insurance, e-tax will become much easier and more seamless. Bkav Remote Signing Remote Digital Signature Service. The highlight of Bkav Remote Signing solution is that users do not need a USB token like traditional digital signatures, but can use a smartphone or tablet to sign documents anytime, anywhere. Bkav Electronic Invoicing Service. Bkav e-Invoice is the most user-friendly electronic invoice solution today, meeting all invoice issuance needs just like paper invoices. It ensures invoice data security and privacy, and can integrate with any accounting or sales software. Each month, the Bkav e-Invoice platform helps issue over 3 million electronic invoices for partners. Bkav Electronic Contract Service. With Bkav Electronic Contract Service, parties can sign contracts remotely online instead of printing out paper contracts for fresh signatures and seals. Bkav Electronic Document Service. Bkav Electronic Document Service supports easy creation of personal income tax deduction documents and can easily integrate with existing business systems. Bkav E-Social Insurance Service. When using Bkav E-Social Insurance Service, enterprise only needs to have a computer connected to the internet to be able to declare online, sign, submit and look up social insurance documents. Bkav E-Tax Service. With Bkav E-Tax Service, businesses can easily declare and pay taxes digitally right from their computers. Bkav Input Invoice Management Service. Bkav Input Invoice Management Service applies AI technology to help accountants manage input invoices, support searching and synthesizing input invoice data continuously according to data from the General Department of Taxation. Bkav Input Invoice Management Service can save businesses up to 80% of costs and time in invoice processing. With the launch of the Bkav Input Invoice Management Service, Bkav has basically provided a full ecosystem of digital transformation products that any business needs. At Bkav, delivering the best experience for customers is always the top priority. Bkav's customer service stands out for its dedication, professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. Bkav provides 24/7 customer support with an experienced team, always accompanying and ready to solve any difficulties that customers encounter quickly, effectively and thoughtfully. Bkav has been accompanying nearly 200,000 businesses in their digital transformation journey, helping companies transform digitally in a comprehensive, secure, and time and cost-saving manner.